Today we're making these delicious chocolate chip muffins. So welcome back to my page and I'm happy to have you. Starting off, I have half cup of butter and I'm going to go ahead and pour that in. I'm also going to be adding half cup of vegetable oil. Next, I'm just going to go ahead and pour in my sugar and we're going to allow that to just whip together for about 3 minutes, and this is 1.5 cup of sugar. While that is whipping, we're going to go ahead and combine our dry ingredients. I add 1 teaspoon of salt to 3 cups of all-purpose flour, along with 3 teaspoons of baking powder. Now, if you don't have this vanilla instant pudding mix, you can skip this step. Your muffins will be delicious. I just like to add it when I'm making cake because it just gives it more of a texture like a store-bought cake. Alright, so now I add about 1/4 cup of that and I combine, and I'm going to sift it to ensure that there is no lumps. And then we're going to go ahead and combine all our dry ingredients with our liquid ingredients. Now we're going to add our eggs. I have 3 eggs and I'm going to combine them one by one. I just allow one to mix for about 20 seconds, then I add in the next one for another 20 seconds, and then I add in the final egg. I allow the eggs to whip for about a minute, then we're going to go in and add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. I will also go ahead and add 1 cup of milk, and I'm using room temperature milk. Now I'm going in with my dry ingredients, and as you can see, I don't pour in it all at once. I add it gradually. That way everything can get to mixing properly. Once everything is mixed in, as you can see, it's nice and smooth. There is no lumps. This usually takes from 30 seconds to a minute, and I'm using the medium speed. So the mixture is nice and smooth. I have my cupcake liners in, and I'm going to add in my chocolate chips. When it comes on to the chocolate chips, you can add as much as you want. I don't like too much in there because I want to be able to taste the cake as well. So I'm going to put in my desired amount, all right? But if you want to add in more, feel free to go ahead and add in more. So for this part, I won't give any measurement because it's totally up to you. So I'm just going to stir in some, and then once my butter is in the cupcake liner, I'm going to go ahead and put a few on top. All right, so while I'm scooping up, I'm making sure that each scoop has chocolate chips in them. All right, just so that we don't have any cupcake without chocolate chips. And I fill them up about 3/4 way up, just so that they can be the same size, as well as to allow room for them to rise. All right, so now I'm just sprinkling about 4 each on top, spread them out so that it can look nice. And then I already have my oven preheated at 350 degrees, and these will take from about 18 to 20 minutes for them to bake. And of course, I still have batter in my pan, but I thought I had another cupcake pan, but I don't. So what I'm going to do is just pour the rest in a regular baking pan. However, based on measuring with my eyes, you can definitely get like 24 chocolate chip muffins from this mixture. All right, so there we go into the oven, and here they are. Nice. They are so beautiful and so delicious. They were perfect. They didn't have like an overbearing amount of chocolate chips inside of them. I mean, we're making a chocolate chip muffin, but it don't have to be overbearing, and that's one of the advantages of doing this yourself, because you can get to add what you want or take away what you want from the recipe. So if you want to make this with more chocolate chips, no chocolate chips, or if you want to use some nuts, whatever you want to add in there, go ahead and use this recipe. It is perfect and you will thank me later. But go ahead and thank me by giving this video a thumbs up or drop a comment in the comment section. I really appreciate that, and it helps my channel and my pages when you do that. All right, thank you for watching, and don't forget to share the video with your friends. Give the kids the recipe and allow them to bake this for themselves, and just be there to oversee them. All right, thank you for watching. Don't forget, I'm always telling you guys to eat in moderation. However, last night I had 3 of these muffins. I'm gonna be honest, I had 3. So this is the remaining batter that I used to make that cake, and it came out perfect. And yeah, that's about it. Enjoy the rest of your week, and don't forget to like, share, and comment. Also turn on your notification that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video.